trying to get a towel from her. Bella, you always have to show your butt in the video. I'm going to get it. I'm going to get it. You can't get that from me. Mine. Mine. It's mine. Mine. Oh, goodness. Goodness, you put it so hard. Mine. Oh, no. Oh, no. Leeway. Oh, that's my hand. That was my hand. You think you won't get my hand when you get it out, huh? That's not right. You're cheating. Good goodness. You're cheating. Oh. You think if you kiss my hand, I'm going to let it go? Okay, now. Okay, Bella. I'm not letting go of the tail. She gave up on the towel.
Why's she eating?
Probably one of her cookie treats on the floor all the time. Yeah, she's a piece of kibble. Think she's getting tired. Oh, oh no, it's puppy attack! Arr! Ah! You could pull the tail off. Oh. Ah! Goodness. She looks like a ball of fuzz on the camera. Oh, goodness. Somebody growling? I'm not letting go. Nope, nope, nope! Almost! This is hurting my fingers. She's pulling hard. Oh, you think if you give me... She thinks if she gives me less rope to grip on, that she's going to get it out of my hand. Like, oh, I thought I was going to get it. I thought I was going to get it. I thought I was going to get it. No, 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 Puppy's going to get it away from me. Ow. This is going to be like 5 minutes of pure puppy play. Ow, ow, ow. Goodness. You can't have it. It's mine. I want to take it. Mine, 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 mine. She got it. She ripped it out of my hand. Oh, no, no! That was mine! She's determined to get this mousey away from me. Ow! That was my hand, you little monster! You're resorting to dirty tactics. Look at that. You see that? You see that on the camera? That redness? That's from her biting my hand. Oh, God. Goodness. She's pulling hard. If that, I'll be surprised after this if that puppy tooth is still in there. Come on. You got one puppy tooth left to get it rid of. Guys, this is gonna be a big video. I'm gonna take this off my camera. Oh gosh. I'm gonna upload you to internet. She girl, I think we should have meatloaf. Are we done? Mommy's feet are walking away. And there she goes. She's done. That's all, folks.